Oh, I usually open it. Yay, I'm just put that over there and there. Look at the inside. Whee! Inside.
Wow.
We can color whatever we want. Bouncy colors. Get the colors out. Yeah. Oh, they came with their own water. And there's cats. Oh, look at these cats. Meow, meow. Look at the water. Woo. And get these cats out. Cats, you're free. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my god. They came with colorings. Get the color. Ah! Well, that was easy. Now let me crayons. Look at everything. I've connected. Now where should I put this? Yeah. Yeet. There you go. I think it's this way. There. Now let me just color cats. Oh my god, they're so soft. It's their own shower. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Here, look at it. Now Aaron gets that out. There you go. I wish it comes with stickers. It didn't. That's gonna be beautiful. This cat's gonna have something on her ear. Time cat, get on the shower. No. I'm drawing inside the ear. Oh yeah, this is scrub, scrub, scrub. Washing away. Okay, it's not working. Look at this disaster. They working? Yeah. I hope they don't see it. The dog's gonna vomit. Now the kitty's scared. She doesn't want water, and she doesn't like how they look like vomit. Look at that. That is it. I think I did it. We can wash Kitty, it's fine. And we just let him dry. Now it's Kitty's turn. When Kitty's done, make sure you can subscribe. Kitty, let's take Kitty. Oh no, we did disaster to Kitty. No. And wash her. If you don't subscribe, then we put a spider on your bed and wake up and eat you. That's it. Okay, bye.